Up next is local food business Black Soul that is bringing the Louisiana taste to Kern County. And now I'm excited that Jessica's here today because we get a lot of food that comes on Kern Living, but this one is special. Our whole staff has been in Studio B just smelling and looking and waiting to try. But for everybody at home, how did you get started? And thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me. My name is Jessica, by the way. A lot of people try to figure out what my name is. So it's not Black Soul, it is Jessica. So right. How I got started, at a young age, my dad taught me how to cook. And that was one of the things that brought us together. Nice. And it's one of the traditions I wanted to keep. So when I got to Bakersfield, it was like, let me try it again. Picked it back up, started bringing food to the companies I work for. And then they were like, what is that? Who made that? And I started being like, oh, you know, I don't know who made it, just like playing around. And then when they found out who made it, they was like, you got something. So I picked back up and I started cooking, and that's what I'm doing now. So
that's great to hear. And shout out to Dad. My parents, I was raised on the microwave, as you can see. I can't cook, so this is exciting. So from Louisiana, how did you get to Bakersfield?
From Louisiana, I drove. No, I'm just kidding. Oh. No, actually, I took a traveling job as a therapist. Nice. And that was one of the things that I felt that was important, and I really care about people. I like helping people. So why not just feed people and combine it into one? So I do both.
I love it.
And that's how I got to California, just doing travel therapy. Landed in Bakersfield, had a couple of contracts, and then stayed here. And then that's how I started.
Okay. Well, I'm happy you're here. Mental health is important.
Absolutely.
Food is important too.
Absolutely.
So what did you bring here? Because we've had to literally fight people off to not touch this. So what did you bring? Okay,
so today, this is what I actually have on my menu right now when I do events here and there. But I have the red beans and sausage. I have the crawfish etouffee. I have the southern fried catfish topped with remoulade sauce. Then I have the catfish sliders, bread pudding, cornbread. And I can go on and on, but I had to limit it because, you know, I was one person.
So where are we going to start? Because I'm ready.
Wherever you want to start. Okay. Wherever you want to start. Whatever looks appealing to you, go ahead. But I know you're going to eat it all anyway, so.
I have to save for my coworkers. But this is the red beans and rice.
Red beans and rice and sausage.
I'm going to try that with the sausage in it.
With the sausage. Louisiana, you got to have a little sausage, or you got turkey neck, something. You're going to put something in there.
Oh, that's that right there. Okay.
So that, and then your crawfish etouffee. So another thing that I want to say, my menu is like a little bit of Creole, a little bit of Cajun, a little bit of sweet. So I try to incorporate all those foods like into one, because it's kind of hard to be like, oh, I'm gonna do this, that, and the third. So I kind of break it up so you can have a little bit of this. And for the people who may never get a chance to go to Louisiana, you can try it here and get a glimpse of what it is, you know, what it could be. So.
I just tasted the Creole because it got real spicy.
At the back.
Yeah,
you might need to bring them a cup of water, but it's back there.
I should have brought water. So before we go, where can everybody find you?
Okay, so I usually post on my Instagram, Eat at Black Soul. You can follow me there. This weekend I'll be at Crusader Brewery from 5 to 9. They have a live band, so I'll be doing I'll be a vendor there. Sorry. But as far as that, if you follow my Instagram, I will post time, location, and dates.
Awesome.
So,
well, thank you for coming. Thank you for bringing this. I'm going to try a lot of these extra things off camera, but make sure you follow us on Instagram at Kern Living and myself at Ryan Nelson 23. I'll see you all tomorrow, and you have a great day.